Hello friends, this is Arthur with WHATABIN WTB Trucks, and here's another truck we just recently finished a couple of days ago. This is a customer provided chassis, so he chose the Ford F Series F450 crew cab with a 12-foot steel bed. We did a bunch of work on the flatbed to make it fit. We installed our custom-made aluminum hopper, which is made of a 1/4-inch aluminum panels. It comes with a remote control for the lifter. Look inside. It does have a trash basket for the trash, floodlights, and the capacity is 520 gallons. Look at this. You scoop all the trash inside. Take it to the dumpster. Just keep it all inside. You take it to the dumpster and just open the lid, and all the trash falls right down. So all the doors are serviceable. You can open each door individually and work on that. Look at the gap here. First of all, the lifter is aligned with the hopper, and the gap is just 1 inch on each side. So the water won't splash into your face. The trash can will fall inside, and there's no splash, which is nice. We have a 50-foot real craft under the bed. The spray gun holder inside the frame. New LED lights, strobe lights, new camera, and of course a 3-inch valve. So we just open the safety cap, and look, the water flows at 150 gallons per minute. It's much faster compared to 1.5 inch or even 2-inch pipe. Yeah, custom built side panels, and of course the pressure washer is going to be Kohler, 26.5 horsepower, and a Comet Pump, 12 gallons fuel tank, 12 gallons diesel tank, plumbing, filter. Water capacity is 550, but it can be as high as 660 if you want. The burner comes with a diagnostic panel, so you can see if you have any issues with your burner. The 12-volt burner, no 120 volt pump generator. 2 handles. Oh, and one more thing here. The floodlights, we put 6 of them. So at night, you have a lighted banner that you can turn on while driving at night. Okay, now our beautiful control panel. I'm very proud of it. So when you turn on the ignition, the light came on, the engine light, oil lamp, shows your voltage. This is your hour meter. It also works as a, it also can read your RPMs. So you can see the time and the timer. Here's your service information and your service records. You just put whatever you done with the truck. The 4 ball valves, spray gun, auxiliary, passenger side, driver side, pressure gauge, lights for the accessories, voltmeter, and this is accessory button for the any accessories you have. Voltage with a USB plug. Okay, what is auxiliary? You can ask. Auxiliary is right here. This is a separate line for the pressure washer. We use this for the any accessories we have. Let's say sludge sucker or 200-foot hose or whatever you want. So the way it works is right here. And I've got the 3/8 quick connect. So at this point I lost my my audio, so I'm gonna finish here. This aux line getting handy for the accessories, like I said, and also it's a good feature of that is that we can use these to wash our hands with the warm water. So all the water from the lines coming down to this aux line. So let's go move forward to the main component, which is a pressure washer and hydraulics and the pressure washer hoses. So this is the way the control panel looks from the back. The 4 ball valves, the manifold, and look like how pretty this pressure hose is laid. Breaker, high pressure filter, again plumbing. Yeah, this customer asked me to add him the outlet for the low pressure water for some accessories he have. And so here's the storage compartment where we chosen to put the hydraulic pump and a second battery. I really like this location for the hydraulic pump because it's weatherproof and it's reduces the noise of the pressure of the hydraulic pump. There are 2 tanks, 550 gallons. Beautiful truck. So let's go around. Yeah, this is a very nice build, and if you want to have something similar, or you want to bring your own chassis, or you want to have us build your truck, give us a call. Yeah, look at this. We have the strobe lights and the floodlights controlled from the inside. We utilize the factory OEM buttons, so you can turn them on and off whenever you need them. Yeah, so if you have any questions, give me a call, 760-560-7328, or just send me a message on Facebook. Thank you.